Welcome to a video by Abron. This is river side auger and it is 7 centimeter dia. This dia is, there is a very hard lips are there which are for cutting the sand from very hard material. So there are two options with this. One is a smaller, this one is a smaller handle. Here we have to just tight this section and then sections you have to fix this section also. And then you have to press it and cut a sample of. This will be tight, so sample can be cut from here. Similarly, you can put another longer one because the buyer is asking for two different sections. This section is here. You can change another one. This is a handle. This one is a smaller part. Another one is a bigger part. We have also a hole here so that you can put a steel rod and then tight it and screw this. Similarly, you can do this tight in this section also. Just see, this can be done. And similarly, now it is almost tight, and then you have to use this section. I'm not tightening everything very hard, but actually you have to tight it. Just see this. It should be in alignment, then only you can put it. See, once it is tight, then you can do it. So this is a big one. When there is something deep is there, then you can use the deeper one, and very easy to use. Please visit the website, and this is our email is abron01@gmail.com, info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. We have got all different kind of augers. You can WhatsApp 9416020018. Another is 9992222049. We supply all soil testing materials, soil materials. All items are with us. Please visit our website, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.